Hey there, I'm Brielle. Welcome to Rick's Review Hub. Today, I'm thrilled to talk about the Ninja Foodi Power Blender Ultimate System, a kitchen all-star that's got everyone buzzing. If you love making smoothies, dips, or even chopping veggies with ease, stick around to see if this blender system is your next kitchen essential. Let's dive in. First, let's break down the features. The Ninja Foodi Power Blender Ultimate System, model CO401B, packs a 1600 peak watt motor that crushes ice, blends smoothies, and processes food like a pro. It comes with a 72-ounce pitcher for big batches, an XL smoothie bowl maker, a 24-ounce nutrient extraction cup for single-serve drinks, and a 64-ounce food processor bowl. With 7 Auto IQ preset programs, you can blend, chop, puree, or make dough with one touch. It includes a variable speed dial, a chopping blade, a dough blade, and reversible slicing shredding discs. Plus, all parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Now, the pros. This system is incredibly versatile. It's a blender, food processor, and smoothie maker all in one, saving you counter space. The Auto IQ presets make it foolproof, delivering perfect results whether you're making a smoothie bowl or kneading dough. The powerful motor handles tough ingredients like frozen fruit or nuts effortlessly, and Amazon reviews praise its speed and consistency. The multiple attachments mean you can tackle almost any kitchen task, from soups to salads. On the con side, it's not perfect. The large 72-ounce pitcher and multiple parts take up storage space, which might be tricky for small kitchens. It's a bit loud on high settings, and the price is higher than basic blenders, so casual users might find it overkill. Some users also say the assembly can feel complex at first. Do I recommend it? Totally, if you're a home cook who wants a do-it-all machine for smoothies, meal prep, or baking. It's perfect for families or anyone who loves experimenting in the kitchen. If you only blend occasionally, a simpler model might suffice, but this Ninja is a powerhouse for regular use. Ready to check it out? Click the link in the description to grab the Ninja Foodi Power Blender Ultimate System on Amazon for the best pricing and any special promotions. Thanks for watching Rick's Review Hub. If this review helped you decide, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Let's keep making smart choices together. See you next time.